So some interesting facts about watermelons. Watermelons can be considered a fruit and a vegetable. Technically, it is a fruit because it has seeds, but some people can consider it a vegetable because you can use the rind in like slaws and like stir fries and stuff like that. And it grows beside like cabbage and corn. It grows on the ground, and it's 92% water. And the first ever harvested watermelon seeds were 5,000 years ago in Egypt. And the heaviest recorded watermelon that got the Guinness Book of World Record was 159 kilos. It took like 4 or 5 guys just to lift it out of the truck. And yeah, a cup of watermelon has 21% of your daily amount of vitamin C. So it's very nutritious, very good for you. Get it in, and yeah, enjoy.